Hi everyone, good day and mabuhay. Today, let's talk about something we often forget but it's super important, cleanliness and proper hygiene at home. Yup, the things we do every day that keeps us healthy, comfortable and safe. Here are easy ways. First is sweeping the floor. So sweeping the floor helps keep our home clean and comfortable. It removes dust, dirt, and small trash that can make the house look messy or cause allergies. By sweeping regularly, we make our space fresher, safer, and nicer to stay in. Next is keeping the bathroom and kitchen clean is one of the most ways to protect our health at home. These two areas are where germs grow the fastest: bathroom because they deal with our waste and kitchen because we prepare food there. If they're not cleaned regularly, bacteria can spread on the wings we touch or even on the food we eat. A clean bathroom helps prevent bad smells, mold, and infection. It also makes the space feel more relaxing and safe to use. Meanwhile, a clean kitchen keeps our meals sanitary, avoids pests like ants or cockroaches, and helps us feel more comfortable cooking. By spending just a little time whipping surfaces, washing dishes, and throwing out trash, we create a home that feels fresh, healthy, and pleasant for everyone. Living in it's a small effort that makes a big difference in our daily life. Throwing garbage properly keeps our home clean, safe, and pleasant to live in. When trash is not disposed of the right way, it can cause bad smell, attract insects or pests, and even spread germs. By putting our waste in the right bins and taking it out regularly, we protect our family's health and help keep our surroundings neat and comfortable. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. And now let's talk about proper hygiene. Washing our hands before eating and after using bathroom protects us from germs that can make us sick. Our hands touch many dirty surface every day, and if we don't wash them, those germs can enter our body or spread to others. A quick wash with soap removes dirt, bacteria, keeping us clean, healthy, and safe. Next is brushing our teeth at least twice a day. Keeps our mouth clean, prevents cavities and bad breath. It removes food bits and germs, helping us stay healthy and confident with a fresh smile. Taking bath regularly is one of the simplest ways to take care of our body and overall well-being throughout the day. Our skin collects sweat, dirt, and germs from the environment, and if we don't wash them off, they can cause bad odor, irritation, or even skin infection. Bathing helps remove all these unwanted things, making us feel clean and fresh. So let's keep cleanliness, keeping our surroundings free from dirt, mess, and germs. It involves regularly cleaning our home belongings and environment to maintain order, freshness, and safety. Cleanliness helps prevent sickness, keeps our space comfortable, and shows respect for ourselves and the people we live with. And also, good hygiene protects us from disease, improves our appearance, and helps us stay healthy and confident. Once again, good day and mabuhay!